Okay, so we're using processing today, and this is going to be the first of a few tutorials on how to set up a processing file, and then the overall goal is to create a little dodgeball game with the player being able to be dodging around the screen, dodging balls, and have the level increase over a duration of time, and you're just trying to score the best time, best score. Okay, so when we start, we always need to set up our file. And the first thing we need to do is get a void setup started. That's our first function we always have, and we need opening and closing squiggly brackets. So what this allows us to do is set up our window, and we're going to set up the size of our window. I'm going to go size, and we're going to make it 600 by 600 pixels, so 600 wide by 600 high. That's the first thing we do. Second thing we do is we set up our void draw. This is our update loop. It happens every frame. Depends on how many frames our game is running at as to how many times this runs per second. And we're going to add in a background, and this just refreshes the background. I'm going to put a color in here. This is a gray, so if you only put one number in there, you'll get from white to gray between 0 and 255. If you put three numbers in there with commas in between each number, just like this, you'll be getting RGB colors. But I just want a gray, so I'm just going to leave it with 1. So if we run this now, we should get a window popping up, and here it is, 600 by 600 pixels, and that's our screen. That's our gray we've displayed to the background. We're going to go ahead and go File, Save. I'm going to save this sketch as dodgeball, one word, ball. And that's going to be our first file. So we hit save on that. Just let it save. It takes a couple of seconds to save. And you'll notice up here it will change from sketch to dodgeball. There we go. There it is. Alright, so that's our first thing we need to do to set up the file, and we're just going to leave it at that for this first tutorial. The next tutorial we'll be looking at creating some classes.